Oh, what's wrong again? Say good morning, Tata Shaz. Look at them, come on. Say good morning. Gising na yung batang ito. Napaka-cranky today. Nag-iiyak pagising ng ano niya, kanina, pagising sa umaga. Iyak ng iyak, wala namang nangyayari. Alam mo yung dramatic tong batang ito. Gusto mong pasali kita maging artista. Tingnan mo. Yan na. Oh, you need to skip. Okay. Let's skip the ads. Mama will do it. Mama will do it. Okay, you have to wait another ads. One more ads. There you go. So anyway mga shots, gising na tayo. Kakain tayo dahil excited ako magising din. Kahapon may natira. Yeah. Gawa muna tayo ng kape mga shots. Now don't waste the tissue. Gawa muna tayo ng kape natin para magising pa sa totohanan. Today is another day. Ayan na baby. Stop doing that please. No wasting tissue. Nagsasayang ka na ng pagkain mo, tissue na naman yung ano mo. Gawa muna tayo ng kape mga shots. Gawa tayo ng coffee. Magkape tayo ng walang asukal today. Sabi nila, narinig ko lang. Ayan na, put that down please. Put it down, put it down. Pag yan natumba ka dyan, bahala ka talaga. Sabi nila, yung coffee daw na walang yung ganito lang ba? Puro. Nakakapayat. I don't know how true is that. So, magkape tayo ng walang yung sugar. Dati ginagawa ko naman to yung magkape ka na, walang sugar. Medyo mapait nga lang pag hindi ka sanay. Pangit talaga sa panglasa mo. Pero pag masanay ka naman okay naman na. Okay. That's that. Coffee. Then tapos kakain ako ng aking pagkain today. Yung aking pagkain kasi may natira pa na tawag nito kinilaw kagabi. Yun yung ating iaalmusal. Lutong-luto na yung kinilaw ko sa suka kagahapon. Hindi pala suka. Wala palang suka yung aking kinilaw. That's the coffee. That's the real coffee without sugar. Can I have my coffee too? Because you had your breakfast. I will have my breakfast as well. It's a good breakfast with kinilaw. Ayan na, baby. Stop doing that, ayan na. Ang dami pa natin i-edit, ayan na. Ay, gusto ko yung ganyang Ay, nakikita nyo ba? Gusto ko ng ganyang backdrop. Yung may paano sa Ay, yung bayan. Wait lang. Lubat pa naman tong cellphone na to. Wait lang, i-charge ko muna. Ibaliktad ko para magamit ko habang naka-charge. Wait lang muna. I'll be back. Ayan, kain na tayo. Sabi ko pa naman, ayaw kong kumain ngayong umaga. Pero nung nakita ko yung aking kinilaw, natira kahapon, o kagabi pala, sabi ko, kakain ako. Hindi na ako mag-aantay ng gabi nito. Pag mga ganito, hindi ko to urungan. Ayan na, you have to be careful ha. Malaglag ka talaga dyan. Pag makikita yan ang kanin niya, sabihin niya, nam 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 nam. Hindi niya pa napansin yung kanin. Careful! Gusto na yung marimba. Look, watch out here. You have to step down. When you step down, when you go down, can you hold here, hold, and down. Okay, that's how you do it. Hindi ka pa nakita yung pagkain ko. Okay, nandiyan na nga. Sabi ko pa nga nam daw. What? You want nam too? Ay, nakumbaha. Nakikita niyo ba? You want nam? But you don't have baby Yana. You want me to give you food? Or mama will feed you only with rice? Because you have fish there last night. I can make that hot. See, what's wrong? You said nam. This is rice. Okay, maybe ako lang yung papakainin niya. Nam-nam daw. Okay? You want more? Okay. Oh, nam-nam. Rice. Rice is life. Okay, tamo. Kanin lang ka pala sa kanya. Eh, gusto ko sana mag-enjoy baby sa kamay. Ayan na. Tapos mga ngasim yung iano ko dito sa aking kamay. What do you want to, Monty? Huh? Why are we getting your tail? What do you want? You want food too? Nam. Mukhang hindi tayo matatapos nito. Oh, careful! I told you, watch out. Nam. I'm giving you nam. Rice is life. Magpasta naman tayo, Bibiana. Puro na lang tayo rice. Dati-rati nag-ano kami sa pasta. Namiss naman din yung rice. Rice is life talaga, Ayana, sa ating buhay. Okay? What? Nom. Where's my baby Ayana? You show my baby Ayana? There is my baby Ayana. There. There's my baby Ayana. Where are you? Pikaw. Naumpog na yung kanyang, wait. Naumpog yung kanyang bibig. Okay, Mama, I'll give you nam. You want to sit down beside me? Or you keep walking? Which one you like? Oh, here, open your mouth. Mama will give you nam. Yeah, nam. Okay. Paano natin ito? May enjoy natin, anak, yung aking kamay. Gusto ko sanang magkamay eh. Ang sarap. Ang asim naman din yung gawa namin. Napaka-asim. Ako nalito naman sa. Okay, come here. Come here, mommy. Mommy. Yeah, mommy, come here. Give me your nam. You want rice? Come here. Okay. You just had your malaki ka na pala. Nakalimutan ko, anak. Isang taon ka na pala. Pwede ka na mag-almusal ng kanin, anak? Thank you, Lord. Ang sarap ng aking almusal. Napaka-asim lang. Ang dami kasi namin kalamansi nilagay at saka lemon. I know. Kain tayo mga sak. Nam. Ano ba itong ating kamay, Bibiana? Kailangan... Oh, careful, ha? You careful. What Monty wants? What he wants? He wants something, Bibiana? Find out. Careful. Watch out, baby. What do you want, Monty? Ay, naku, sabi ko magda-diet na ako. Paano ako magda-diet nito? Paano ka din magpapayat dito yung anak ko, 15 kilos, bubuhatin ko everyday? Kailangan ng energy. Lalong bumibigat yung baby natin kakakain ng kanin. Ang asim ng aking Thank you, Lord. May nakalala to sa akin. Basap. Come here. Come, mommy. Come, baby. Can you put it back there? Ayan na, that's that toy. Monty, what do you want? This is our baby and Monty. Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Okay, Mama give you nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Here. May mga shots, tapos ako kumain mga shots. Hindi ko maubos. So, meron pa tayong ulam for tonight. Yan. Medyo kalahati yung nakain ko. Yeah. What do you want now? I want to eat more. Oh, be careful. Careful, baby. Para kang lasing. Tapos naglalakad pa naman siya para magma-marching. Gusto mo may sundalo? Anyway mga shots, tapos na ako kumain. Magkape na naman tayo. Yung aking rice, hindi ko pa naubos. Mamayang gabi na naman yan. Tapos yung aking kinilaw, mayroon pang natira. Ano na itong hatian na namin kung may ni Nicole. Hapunan para meron siyang makain din. Kasi nagustuhan niya rin yung kinilaw, ah. Nung nagpunta kami sa Jerry's Grill. O yung Jerry's Grill lang yung pagkagawa gusto niya. Anyway, pasok ko na. Ayan na, put your short on. Can I put your short on? Come here. Then we will go outside. We will go for a walk. Yeah, come, let's go. Let me finish my coffee first. Oh, no, 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 no. You have to wait. Mommy's not finished yet. Not ready yet. No, malamig na naman itong aking kape. Tamang-tama lang. Ang pait. Ang bait ng ating coffee, Yana. Sige lang, kahit inumin lang natin to. What's Tita Rice doing? Scaring them? Oh. Are you baby, yung ano mo, nawawala na Ayana. Oh, this one. So anyway mga shots, dito ko na lang yan yung aking video mga shots this morning kasi mahaba-haba na rin tong ating video. And para naman makapaggawa tayo ng another video for today. And that will be another video natin gagawin kasi mag-i-edit pa ako ngayon. Mayroon na akong na-edit kagabi, kailangan ko pang gumawa ng thumbnail. So dito ko na lang yan yung ating video for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you shots. Bye. Baby Yana, bye. Where's my baby Yana? Say bye to them. Say bye. Where's the bye-bye? Wala na. Bye.